Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sandia G. If you're new here, welcome. To all of my returning subbies, you don't know how your girl feel about you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. In today's video, guys, I will be doing my first official video for fall 2024. As you guys know, I've always styled like my credenza and my two console tables. I have one right here and one down in the hallway, so I'll be styling those. This is gonna be my first official video for 2024 fall. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. It's going to be pumpkins all over the place, as well as your girl is going to be using one of her favorite colors, which is my third favorite color, and I'm going to go with shades of greens. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video and style these areas for you. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using my Sprayway products to clean the mirror and the surfaces as well. So I have the Sprayway mirror cleaner, and I also have the Sprayway all-purpose cleaner, and that is what I'm going to be using to clean down the spaces. I am also going to be designing the spaces as well. I will be using items from HomeGoods, Burlington, Ross, Marshalls. I think I have a few things from TJ Maxx as well. So guys, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video and the cleaning. I will pop in from time to time to let you guys know where I get some of the items from, like the newer items that I've had. And as well as I will leave the link below with a couple of the shopping hauls that have some of these items in them. So please enjoy, guys, and listen to some soothing music while your girl clean and decorate.
Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of.
So guys, this beautiful artwork that I'm going to be using in the space, I picked that up from Goodwill. This beautiful lamp I picked up at Goodwill as well. Combined, those were like about $13. I paid for both. This beautiful green bowl I picked up from HomeGoods. It's in the color green and gold. This wreath, I got it from Hobby Lobby, and my pieces that I'll be using inside of the bowl, I picked up from Hobby Lobby and HomeGoods. I'm also going to be using these two beautiful candle holders that I picked up from Ross. I did use them in the space before. These candles are new, and I got those from HomeGoods. I got those on clearance. They're going to be tying in very well with the space because all the colors that is in those two candles are going to be used throughout the space. These beautiful Chanel books, I got these as a set in the case. I'm going to be using the case somewhere else in the home. I got those from TJ Maxx. Those were on sale as well. I think I paid like $50 for those. This beautiful ginger jar I picked up at Ross. I think I got this for like $25, either $20 or $25. These beautiful floral pigs, I picked these up from the Hat Home store. I was just thinking where I got them from. But I got those from the At Home store, and those are just absolutely gorgeous. These pumpkin picks, I picked these up from HomeGoods. I'm also going to be bringing in a beautiful pumpkin that I picked up from Marshalls, as well as a candle. Both pieces are just divine, and I'm truly in love with them. And that is going to be tying out how I will be styling my credenza for fall 2024.
Follow, take one step at a time, bear with you all the way. And baby, get up. No, don't just stay down and lift yourself up.
I'm going to be bringing in these two lanterns that I picked up from Home Goods to place beside the credenza, as well as two pumpkins that I got from Burlington a couple of years ago.
Baby, get up.
So I'm going to be cleaning down my first console table that I'll be styling, and I'm also going to be styling it. The items I'll be using is going to be from Ross, Burlington, as well as Marshalls. I'm going to be placing two Chanel books on the table, as well as some floral picks that I picked up. Some of them I got from Kirkland's. I used those last year, and some of them I got from Home Goods about 2 years ago, but I've never used them. I'm going to be using a pumpkin candle. I'm going to be using a beautiful green pumpkin that I picked up from Home Goods a couple years ago, as well as I'll be making a vignette on some candle holders that I picked up from Home Goods a couple years ago as well, with some pumpkins that I will be placing in that vignette. The tray I'm going to be using in that area, that tray I picked up from Home Goods recently. And to top the area off, I'll be using a pumpkin I picked up from Marshall and a beautiful ginger jar that I picked up from Ross. I'm also going to be bringing in two ottomans that I got from Ross that I'll be placing under the console table, and that is going to complete the look that I will be having over on this side.
Lately, I've lost my track. I've sailed the deeper seas, hoping to find something to bring back better times. Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. 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 But time is running out.
So in this hallway, guys, I have a couple of things going on. I have two paintings that I picked up from Ross. I also have this beautiful mirror that I picked up from Burlington, as well as a slim table that I got from Amazon. This is listed in my Amazon store, so if you guys like it and you're interested, please go ahead and check my Amazon store out. The link will be down below. I'm going to be bringing in this beautiful tray that I picked up from Ross. I'm going to also be bringing in this peacock that I picked up from Ross as well. These three taper candle holders, these are from Home Goods. And I'm also going to be bringing in this ginger jar that's going to be mimicking the one that I use on my console table in my living room space. I will be using it on this space as well. The floral picks are from Kirkland's. I did use these in the space last year. And a piece of this floral pick is from Hobby Lobby. And to top the space off, I'm going to just be bringing back in one of the pumpkins that I use in the space prior to, as well as putting in some filling in the peacock tail. I'm going to be bringing in the taper candles that I use as well. And to top the space off, I will be using a new rug in the area. And after that, guys, I will be revealing the entire space for you guys to see with some soothing music. Again, thank you guys so much for your love and your continued support. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. If there's anything you like or you see or you love in this video, please go ahead and leave a comment. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to just let me know your feedback overall as to what is going on in the space. My next video, I will be revealing how I style my living room space, so please stay tuned for that. And until next time, guys, as I've always said, please take care of yourself, take care of each other, check up on somebody, and be good to yourself. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Love you all for real.
Everything I have to say, but I'm afraid, and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. I fall into you.
I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours. Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind. 'Cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall, trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did, and drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed out all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other. We always had each other. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. Living on the edge, we were living on the edge. We didn't care about the rest, care about the rest. just like a scene from a movie. Living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall. Never trip and fall. We'd never trip and fall. I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours. Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind, 'cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie. Living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall. Never trip and fall. Never trip and fall. Trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did, and drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed out all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other.